This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Attractively updated upstairs end unit that offers terrific open floor plan with high ceilings. This 2-bedroom plus den unit has updated kitchen and baths. The kitchen features granite counters, tile backsplash, newer stainless steel appliances and newer sink with copper faucet. Both baths updated with granite counters and newer faucets. The master shower has newer frameless glass. The light oakwood floors through the main living areas really enhance the natural light and decor. Tile flooring in kitchen and baths with updated carpeting only on steps. The screened lanai also has been tiled and enjoys a tranquil tropical preserve view. AC system replaced in 2021 and newer LG washer and dryer. Includes a covered carport space and storage closet. Located in the highly desirable resort community of Colonial CC. Includes social membership which offers access to all community amenities plus pay-as-you-play golf. All community amenities have been just or recently refurbished in outstanding fashion. The community features a highly rated 18-hole golf course, clubhouse with dining, community center with full fitness center and classes, multiple pools, tennis, pickleball, bocce and more. Colonial CC has a convenient location, first-class amenities and reasonable fee structure. Your new Florida home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.